Hello, it's Bob here in the Dean's office in the College of Engineering at the University of South Florida on day 32 of Operation Engineering. How are you doing? And I hope this message finds you and your loved ones, your family and your friends, healthy and safe. Today is Cinco de Mayo. I hope everyone is celebrating appropriately. I got to thinking about the 50th anniversary of the shooting of the 4 college students at Kent State. Yesterday was the 50th anniversary. That was an event that changed America, in my opinion. And I remember walking about 5 miles to buy the 45 record from Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young called Ohio. That's when my family and I lived in Key West. It was a long walk across that causeway. And I got to thinking about the COVID-19 crisis. And I'm wondering, how is that going to change America? So, is the COVID-19 crisis, is it encouraging you to think differently about things, about life? Is the remote operations experience, stay-at-home orders, are they transforming your outlook on our collective return to normal, whatever normal might be? Well, it certainly has for me. And so I started looking for a quote that I thought would describe that. I found this from Nicole Williams, an author. She wrote, "Sometimes I have to pretend I feel brave before I actually do. Sometimes I never make it past the pretending part. But those days are getting fewer and further between." And I think that's what the COVID-19 crisis has done for many of us. I think we're looking at things differently. We're feeling braver. Let me know what you think. So where am I today? Well, I told you I was going to stay in Bob's Burgers, which is an animated feature sitcom. It was submitted by Daniel Ye yesterday. Well, we got some favorite burgers. So if you look closely at the blackboard, you'll see the Blueberry Brie Bacon Burger, which is a favorite of Andrea Ortiz, who writes that this burger used to be found at a restaurant in St. Pete that for some ridiculous reason took it off the menu. Take a look at the email. It's a photo of the burger. It looks very appetizing, actually. So if you have a favorite burger you'd like displayed at Bob's Burgers, please let me know. The virtual hometown map has almost 1,100 views. We have a new pin, Mobile, Alabama. So please keep sending those in. We've got to populate that. The number of views keeps going up. In other news around the college, Andrea Ortiz had another favorite burger. It's called the Bacon Double Cheeseburger with Peanut Butter Shake. That's interesting. It's from Louis' Lunch Truck on the Cornell campus in Ithaca. I can't honestly imagine a peanut butter shake, but I'd give it a try. We also have from Pachara Mayton, Academic Advising. She sent a picture in of some of the most amazing birds, peafowls. So she found these in her yard, and she took a photo of those. I guess her cat discovered the birds. But what a sight to see, and thanks for sharing that with us. So remember about the USF Hero. You can nominate a USF faculty member or student or staff who have gone above and beyond, who've really stepped up in research and organizing food drives, raising money, and first line responders and all kinds of other possibilities. So if you've got someone in mind, you have until Friday, May the 8th, to nominate that person. You can take a look at the email, but basically there's a few things you need to do when you send the information in to Janet Gillis. So, thank you for all that you do for the college. Thank you for all that you do for our students and their success as we push forward into the summer of remote delivery of instruction. At the moment, it looks like the number of student seats that we will be filling is essentially on par with last year. So thanks to all the departments and all who are involved in encouraging our students to continue on this summer. And we'll look forward to face-to-face in the fall, possibly. That remains to be seen. I'll let you know as soon as I hear anything in that regard. But again, thank you for all that you're doing. Keep sending in your information, your photos, your stories, and we'll keep sharing. And as always, stay safe, be well, and we'll talk soon.